Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson in the Screenflow course. Today we're talking about the video properties and using some advanced techniques to do some cool things with your videos. So right here, I created this sort of setup, this layout with my screencast just using the video properties tab. So this is original how it looked, just basic with my screencast in the background, my video in the lower corner. And this is like a pretty standard screencast. Not bad, not great,